Hello and welcome back to Russian with Nastya. Как дела? У меня хорошо. Today I'm going to teach you 7 everyday Russian expressions you will use over and over. Before we start, make sure you're subscribed so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And поехали! Давайте начнем. Let's begin. Number 1 is Ё-моё. Ё-моё. Use it when you are surprised, disappointed, or regret something. Or use it when you feel all that at the same time. Ё-моё.
Ой, ё-моё, а?
Number 2 is блин or пипец or капец. This one is my favorite. I use it every day, every hour, I think. Капец or пипец. Блин.
Но вы, блин, даете.
People use these words when they are surprised, disappointed, in pain, or pretty much anything else depending on your face expression as well. If you are saying блин or пипец or капец with a big smile on your face, that means something very good. For example, you receive a present, you can say блин, классно. Or пипец, как классно. Or капец, как круто. And number 3 is my favorite. Работа не волк, в лес не убежит.
Учит народная мудрость. Терпение и труд все перетрут. Раз. Кончил дело, гуляй смело. 2. Без труда не вытащишь и рыбку из пруда. 3. Работа не волк, в лес... Нет, это не надо.
Literally means work is not a wolf, it will not run into the woods. Use this phrase when you are at work, you're bored, and you don't feel like working today. Or when you postpone your work. Number 4. Разуй глаза. Literally it means take your shoes off your eyes. Basically, use this phrase when you want a person to see the truth. In English we say use your eyes or untie your laces of your eyes. Number 5 is a very popular, very common too. Нифига себе! Нифига себе! It's an exclamation expressing surprise. In English we say I'm shocked or oh Jesus! Нифига себе! Это меня бесит or ты меня бесишь or just бесит. Use it when someone or something drives you crazy or really annoys you. Ты меня достал. If you are saying it to a man, or ты меня достала if you are saying it to a woman. The verb доставать means to take something out. So literally this phrase means you took me out or it took me out. Basically it means you're bothering me, it's bothering me, or I have had enough of you. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to write your example or your favorite phrase in comments below. Also, let me know in comments, are there some similar phrases in your language? I'm very curious. Don't forget to connect with me on all my social medias. I've got Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Спасибо за внимание. Пока!